Time is an ocean, and humanity is a single wave riding its surface. Our story, measured not in decades or even millennia, but in the slow ticking of cosmic clocks, is still young. For only a handful of centuries have we shaped the world to our will, built cities and civilizations, and learned to peer beyond our cradle into the great darkness that surrounds us. Yet as we gaze upward, we cannot help but wonder, how long can this story continue? How enduring is the spark of humanity against the vast, indifferent sweep of the universe? Some say we are threatened from all sides. Our planet, for all its beauty, is fragile, its resources finite, its climate delicate, its surface marked by the scars of our own ambition. There are risks we have made ourselves: war, pollution, the silent threat of AI run amok. But there are dangers older and colder than any we can create. Asteroids tumbling unseen, gamma-ray bursts from distant cataclysms, the slow brightening of the sun that will one day boil the seas and turn Earth to ash. If we remain here, bound to this one blue world, our days are numbered, perhaps in thousands, perhaps millions, but numbered just the same. Yet, humanity has never been content to remain in place. Already we have sent our machines to scout the planets and the stars, to taste the dust of distant moons and listen for signals from other minds. We imagine worlds beyond our own, and some among us dream of cities under alien suns, of ships that drift for centuries between the stars, carrying the seed of Earth to distant soil. Perhaps if we are wise and fortunate, the centuries to come will see us spread outward. We will become a multi-planetary species, then perhaps interstellar, adapting to new worlds and new challenges, changing as our ancestors changed to survive ice ages and deserts. Our descendants might not look like us or think like us, but in them, the story of humanity will continue, shaped by new landscapes and new suns. Yet even the stars are not eternal. There will come a time, inconceivably distant, when the last stars gutter out, when galaxies grow cold and silent, and the universe itself seems to wind down. Will some sliver of humanity, flesh or machine or something stranger, endure even then, finding ways to thrive in the darkness, to hibernate between pulses of entropy, to encode themselves in patterns of energy, thought, or quantum memory? Or will we, like so many other things, pass into silence, our civilizations forgotten, our dreams turned to dust, leaving only a trace, a whisper in the cosmic background, a pattern in the stars, a fleeting awareness that once the universe awoke and saw itself through human eyes? No one can say how long humanity will survive. Our future is a tapestry woven from choices not yet made, crises not yet faced, discoveries still waiting in the dark. But the very act of wondering, of planning, of reaching out, is its own kind of victory. As long as we endure, we carry with us the memory of Earth, the dreams of 1,000 generations, and the hope that, somewhere and somewhen, the story of humanity will go on for as long as the universe has stories left to tell.